Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in today's project, I've made an app called Talk to Me. So you can see the character, and then you can also there's multiple features here. I can record your speech, and he will say it, and you can also tell him what to speak. Now, because there's a little bit problem with the record, I'll show you how the speaking feature works. Here you can type anything. It's basically text to speech, but yeah, it's actually just text to speech with a character with it. So let's say I want to say Assalamualaikum. Let's say let's test this. Assalamualaikum. Wait, yeah. Then you can test maybe like uh hello hello people. Yeah, that's this again. Yeah, there's actually a lot of stuff. You can type in a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, it's basically text to speech but more faster. Or like yeah. So I think that's yeah, and also the record button. The record button is supposed to record what we say, then it will make him say it as well. So I think that's all for the UI on the phone, what it looks. Yeah, on the preview on the UI of the phone. I'll continue on how I made it. Hmm. Thank you. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the application or Codular. There's actually yeah, you can see here there are multiple components. First is screen, the entire screen of course. Then there's spacing above here. Image, the character. Text box, what I want to say and stuff. Then we have space here or between it. Horizontal arrangement to arrange the buttons. Yeah. We have text to speech and speech recognizer. Yeah, that is that is all for design, and I'll show you the code. Hmm. Okay, there's a lot of code here. I'll explain it one by one. So in here we have when screen 1 back pressed, it just sets the country of the speaker or this audio of the text to speech to what country, and it will set the accent and dictionary which it will view upon, and it will scan your word, then it will say it based on the dictionary used or country used. Then we have button speak. So we'll call text to speech 1, which is this, and it will say whatever is inputted into the text box 1. Yeah. Then we have speech recognizer. So it will set the text box 1, this, into the text that was from the speech recognizer. It will get what I we will detect what I say, can will set, and it will set the words exactly to what I said or not so exactly, because sometimes speech recognition is quite bad. But yeah, that's how it was supposed to work. Yeah, I think that's all for what I had to say. Yeah. So in here you have only 3 lines of code. And actually, it can count as 5 to 6 lines of code, or maybe 10 to 11. Yeah, and I think that's all for my introduction the introduction to Talk to Me app. Yeah, to for the design and code. I'd love to thank you all for watching to the end. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.